dig it up. What is soil? Words to remember: soil, natural resource, rock fragments, clay, silt, sand, humus. What is soil? Do you dig holes in the ground? Do you plant in a garden? Do you play in the mud? What do you see? Soil. Soil is a natural resource that gives support and nutrients for plants to grow. Soil is made up of different parts or components. Let's investigate. Components of soil. Soil is made up of different parts or components: rock fragments, sand, silt, clay, humus. Let's explore each component more. Rock fragments. Rock fragments, or pieces of rock, make up soil. Rock fragments can be small or large. Large rock fragments. They can feel rough or smooth. Sand. Sand is made up of rock fragments that are small. You can feel the fragments in sand because they are bigger than in clay and silt. You can see and feel the rock fragments in sand. Grass can grow in sandy soil. Silt. Silt is made up of very small rock fragments. Silt helps plants grow because it helps soil hold water. When the Nile River floods in Egypt, silt is left on the soil. Farmers can plant crops in this rich soil. Silt covers the sand and plants can grow. Clay. Clay is made up of very, very small rock fragments. The pieces are so small you can't feel them. When clay gets wet, it feels slippery. Look at this person making a clay pot. The clay is smooth because the pieces of rock in it are so small. Humus. Humus is a component of topsoil that has many nutrients. When plants and animals die, decomposers break them down to become humus in the soil. Worms break down dead leaves to make humus. Fungi grow and break down dead trees. Is all soil the same? Soil isn't the same everywhere in the world. How much of each component in the soil makes it different. Soil close to the ocean has more sand in it. Only some plants can grow in sandy soil. In Virginia, soil has more clay than the other components. The soil looks more red than soil in other states. Soil in other states has more silt and humus that makes it better for growing plants. It looks more black. Glossary. Clay. Component of soil made of very, very small pieces of rock. When wet, clay feels slippery. Humus. The living, dead, or decomposing matter found in soil. Natural resource. Something used by people that is made by nature. Rock fragments. Pieces of rock. Sand. Component of soil that is loose and is made of small rock fragments. Silt. Soil component made from very small rock fragments. The fragments are larger than clay, but smaller than sand. Soil. A thin layer at the Earth's surface made from rock fragments and natural matter.